In this video, we'll truly see how a front controller is made. From empty PCB to a controller, what will happen in the process? Here we go. Look, the pusher is feeding the PCB into the printing press. The solder paste passes through the steel mesh and is printed on the PCB pads like paint. Look carefully at the changes in the right picture. Then the PCB is sent to the placement machine. Capacitors, resistors, diodes, integrated circuits are placed one by one the position set by the program. This time the solder paste is still fluid. It needs to be heated and melted in a reflow oven and then cooled again to reform. A solid circuit connection between the electrode components and PCB. After AOI optical inspection and manual re-inspection, defective products can be found. Here, the assembly components have been welded. Let's see how plug-in components and connectors are welded. We can see this is an aluminum electrolytic capacitor, and these are cut short by molding machine, convenient for manual operation and wave soldering. Using high temperature resistant temp to cover the no welding required holes on the PCB to avoid liquid flowing. The lids just can't need to be manually placed on the PCB and pop through the reserve hole. Then send it to wave soldering. This cartoon can help us understand how wave soldering works. The plug-in-place PCB passes through the slope check and the loop fills the hole from the bottom to complete soldering of the inline components. While the PCB is not completely cooled, the high temperature tape must be removed timely or it will be difficult to remove. Here the original puzzle pieces can be separated to facilitate welding of wires, then divided into the smallest chunks, and they are the parts used in the controller. Look, it's been tested. After connecting the motor, you need to be careful here to avoid short circuiting. Turn on the power. The motor is working properly. Let's mark it. It is on the front inevitably be dust, so we need to dust and moisture proof. Apply and put into a plastic box. With the motor and front controllers completed, holding in my hands now is the finished product. Come on, let's see how it is installed on the Model Y and works. Hi Leo. Show me the process. Here we go. Step 1. Remove the water tank cover and frunk. Step 2. Remove the original car lock and install the self-priming motor. Step 3. Fix the original car lock and route the cables. Step 4. Test whether the electric suction functions normal and restore the frunk and water tank baffle.